I have another glitter product for you guys, and today it's going to be a liquid glitter eyeshadow. So this says here Heng Fang Diamond Bead Light Water Fluid of Eyeshadow. That's actually a really long name. I don't know if you can see it right there. And let's just remove this so we can see the box. Hold on, I'm just removing the sticker so I can see what's written on the box. So yeah, it says here Diamond Bead Light Water Fluid of Eyeshadow. There you go. So you can see it here a lot more clear, and it comes in a really nice gold and white packaging, and I got the shade 04. The actual product looks like this. As you can see, it's a really beautiful see-through acrylic packaging, and it has a gold cover like this. There's nothing else on the packaging except for the brand name Heng Fang, and it reminds me a lot of those Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. I've never tried this in my life, and I got this from Shopee. It's really affordable. I think it's 100 plus, 150 or 140. So I'm just gonna put everything in the description box below, as always, the product and seller info. Yeah, so it's actually slightly smaller, and the shade that I got is a bronzy color. Okay, so there's a construction outside, so we're just gonna pause for a while. As you can see close up, it has a lot of glitter particles in it, and I just can't wait to apply this on my eyes, and we're gonna see if it's going to add a lot of sparkle on my lids or what. So I hope it shows up, because you guys know your girl loves glitters. So I'm just gonna give you guys a swatch, and before that I'm just gonna show you guys the applicator. The applicator looks like this, and it's really nice because it's slightly larger than a typical doe foot applicator, and it's flat on the side, and I really like that. I don't like some that looks like a chair. I like this. So I'm just gonna give you guys a swatch here. Whoa, that is super metallic. Yeah, it's pretty opaque. It's nice. It's really good. Very opaque. As you can see, it's very pigmented, and the color payoff is there. It's definitely there, and it's definitely super shimmery. It reflects light for sure. I'm really impressed. Packed with glitters inside, so that is nice. And the glitters are silver, and it has like bronzy mica inside, so it's a mixture of mica or mica, I'm not really sure how to pronounce, but those are the loose pigments mixed with glitter particles. So those are the combination. So I don't really see a lot of ingredients on the side or anything like that. Alright, so I already have my mascara on, and I am going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow just to mix with the liquid eyeshadow. I'm just going to use probably this color first, the shade Winky. Darken it even more with this shade called Profesh here. For some sparkle on my eyes, and I'm gonna use this. I'm really a fan of liquid eyeshadows because normally they are more long-lasting than a powder eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna apply this directly from the applicator and just apply this on my lids. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. And actually gonna use a brush to blend this in because I don't apply too much. So I'm just using this brush to blend this in. So it's best to blend this while it's wet, because I think this is one of those liquid eyeshadow products that sets like a liquid lipstick. So once it sets, there's no way to move this. So while it's wet, go ahead and use a brush to blend it. And it helps that I'm using an angled brush like this. Makes the blending a lot easier and smoother. So alright, so that is just one layer of this liquid eyeshadow. Honestly, it looks so beautiful on my lids, and it's a lot easier if I don't have a mascara already, but you can see it looks super sparkly, and that is exactly what I'm going for. So now we're gonna go back to the swatch that I did. As you can see, it's very smudge proof, and it stays on. Definitely smudge proof. As you can see, I'm rubbing this hard, and it doesn't, yeah, it transfers just a bit because it didn't dry like 100% already. It's just a little bit of transfer, but I'm just rubbing it right now and nothing is coming off. I should apply another layer, so okay, why not? So I'm just gonna apply one more layer, and because right now it looks a bit sheer, it's gonna look more sparkly and more opaque. So this is the second layer. I'm actually scared to apply too much. Alright, so adding another layer definitely helps. So this is one layer and this is two layers. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this looks more opaque in real life. Definitely can see it. I'm going to apply this on my inner corner as well. Look that I came up with. Truly sparkly. It's sparkly, but it's not like shocking. It's not chunky. The glitters in this are very finely milled, and it doesn't look chunky at all. And it's very comfortable on my lids, even though it's a liquid eyeshadow, and even though it sets, it doesn't feel thick on my lids. Like I can barely feel it, or like I don't feel anything at all. And it looks even. Just make sure when you apply this, while it's drying, just look down and don't look up, because it's going to crease if you're going to look up while you're waiting for this to dry. So after applying this, make sure to look down. Now we're gonna talk about my final thoughts about this. I really like this product because, first of all, it's very easy to use. It's small. If you're going to travel, you have one eyeshadow palette, and if you want to make your look more sparkly, just have one of these in your bag. Check out the link in my description box. You'll see all the different shades. A very simple product that I really like. It's very simple to use. It's just basically a liquid glitter eyeshadow, and you can use this alone, or you can match this with an eyeshadow look. Just finish your eyeshadow first, your powder eyeshadow, then apply this on top, and this will look really magical on your eyelids. It's really shimmery. It's really shimmery and gorgeous. I love glitter eyeshadows, especially those that are not chunky. I'm a big fan of these kind of products. And the packaging is super classy as well. I really like the rose gold. Planning to get the other shades and swatch them for you guys. And you guys know that I love testing out new products. So yeah, and I recommend this. It's very affordable. If you're looking for a dupe for the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow, go ahead and try this. They have a lot of different shades to choose from. That is it for my review of the Fang. Where is that? Fang Diamond Bead Light Water Fluid of Eyeshadow. So you can find this from Shopee or Aliexpress. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys again next time.